Hey, you kids. So, welcome back to another episode of VM Installation. Yay. I'm currently working on a bigger project, so this is just a little treat for you guys in the meantime. So, yeah. So today we are doing Windows 3.0. So, yeah. So, let's start it. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set the screen size to 200, just so you can see better. And go to devices, floppy drives, choose a disk file, go in here. A setup. Alright, welcome to setup. The above list matches my computer. Microsoft Windows 3.0 Disk 2, okay. Alright, here we are. This is the graphical portion of setup. Don't set up printers. Don't read online documents. They're not actually online, like on the internet. They're just kind of documents. Sure, let's set up applications already on the hard disk. Disk 3, don't worry, I gotcha. Disk 4, Disk 5, and 6. Make all modifications. Add all. Alright. Reboot. And you gotta remove the floppy disk. Let's just reboot. It's starting MS-DOS. Go to Win. And there we go. Windows 3.0 has been installed. So yeah, here it is. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.